Here's the awkward truth about why people don't call you back. Your name isn't in their head when they need you. This garage was my world, a place where jobs came and went, but the phone never rang enough to pay the bills. One night I hit record not for customers, but for conversation. I talked about the jobs, the headaches, and the little victories. People started listening, not just techs, contractors, business owners, even customers curious about the work behind their comfort. What began as a late-night experiment became a show that pulled in sponsors, clients, and a following I never thought possible. Ready to start? Everything you need is in one book at Amazon.com. Link in bio.